have a lot of confidence in IASB, or the Iowa Association of School Boards. And when I became aware of the ICAT program and Estes, through your affiliation with the ICAT program, to me it was a pretty easy transition to moving on to explore what a partnership with Estes as our construction manager would look like.
Our role really was to work in partnership with the district and the ICAT Estes team to really build from a facility needs assessment and begin exploring solutions as to how to address the needs that had been identified.
That's where I really appreciated the partnership with Bray and Estes when we needed to begin winnowing down the list, because there were a lot of great ideas out there, but each one came with a price tag. And working with Estes and Bray, we were able to get the proposed project down to the type of project that we thought would be acceptable to the voters.
Yeah, and I go back to that survey process. We held at least 2 community listening sessions even before we went to survey with some of the earliest conceptual plans, and they were successful in terms of getting feedback, and when we were able to help the community understand why it was so important to continue investing in community spaces, I think that was another important aspect of not only defining the need, but helping engage the community in a conversation.
One thing that was really a key for us was getting the survey out to the community. And when we talked to both Estes and Bray, we really got the feeling that this was important, and then Bray came to us with some suggestions in how to approach that. And bottom line was, we suspected we would have the support from our parents and from the students and the staff, but there's that group of people out in our community now that no longer have children in school who really need more information, and especially we knew we would need their support in a referendum, because it not only provided us with information, but it was an excellent tool to get information out to the public so they would know what we were asking, what it would cost, and were able to effectively respond to the questions we were asking on the survey. So it was a win-win all around from my perspective. And really looking at a bond referendum in the middle of a pandemic to end up with over 70% of the voters supporting it, that was a powerful statement.
That group are critically important to the success of any project, especially a bond referendum-based project. And so those listening sessions did a great job helping us understand where some of our parents and coaches and more invested community members in the specific areas of arts and athletics mainly, where they were at in terms of support. We used that feedback to refine the options. The survey really was, I think, the difference maker. I don't know if we would have been successful if we would have not had the survey to refocus us.